Only now we're finishing, and today, well, not today, now starts tomorrow. Partea voi, Jurnal Capitana, 402.134.8.317.1274.
Good morning, everyone. Let's do a quick truck spotting before I start the stream in Edmonton. If you can see some parking in the winter, it be like that. Nice, pretty busy and pretty chilly also. Whoa! I forgot who said that. Every time I do whoa, he drinks. There's a cool Western Star. We have 2 hard days ahead of us. So today we have to reach. We are trying to reach Winnipeg. So it's about 1250-ish kilometers. So that's a full driving program. Next, after that, I also have to do a Thursday run, which is 1 hour. So, and of course we have access to gym. Some nice trucks there. And now nice lights, I think. And then Friday morning, because I have access to gym in Winnipeg, I have to go again to do the Friday running. And then drive another 13 hours to Hearst. Or, Hearst, because Winnipeg to Saint Saul-Marie ain't happening. At least not in winter. And so 2 running sessions and 2 full programs of driving. I looked at the weather, there's some snow, some slight snow around Nipigon-Hearst Kapuskasing on Friday, but nothing major. This one is nice, this pit, black and red. So double stacking behind. Big bull bar. I need one of those on this Kenny, so I can mount the lights there. And this is the Flying J. So yeah, we'll see how I managed today, right? Because with the vlog, yesterday I spent a lot of time creating like the system, the folders, the default programs and templates that I need to use. So every time I want to create a vlog, it should just be import the videos, cut them, and that's basically it. I'm not trying to edit too much because, again, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm a trucker. And I want to be like that. I think someone was asking to see the eyes. Look there. We'll see when we reach Bob. And if you want to see a better how the parking looked. So here there are 2 rows, right? And in summer they're like back to back in summer. But in winter, because there are like some snow piles and stuff like that, tandems and duals and stuff like that, they enter, not tandems, 2 trailers, I forgot the name. They enter with the front. and they park like this. And hello, Bob. You're still warming up, I see, yeah? Okay, people, see you on the stream.
Rugăciunea de joi. Doamne Iisuse Hristoase, Fiul și Cuvântul lui Dumnezeu Tatăl. Rugăciune la începerea lucrurilor. Doamne Iisuse Hristoase, Fiule unului născut a Tatălui cel fără de început, care în Sfânta ta Evanghelie ai zis.
Hello, people. We just left Saskatoon, so Meso Manos halfway. We're not really halfway, but close enough. Roads are looking good. Both are good until Winnipeg. I had 2 bananas and a monster. I'm kind of hungry, so we might stop somewhere to eat. I don't know where. I think last time, after Yorkton, someone mentioned the great pizza place on the right side, the restaurant. So maybe we give that a try. We will see. But other than that, we're making great progress. I'm more worried about tomorrow. Which road should I take? 17, 11, that's a tomorrow problem. So, yeah. You guys seem to enjoy the stream. We're getting close to 4,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. Thank you very much. I should feel ashamed of myself. Oh, but sorry. I blame you guys, the chat. Because someone was talking in the chat that 2 footlongs will be like 3-4 meals. And because the last few days I haven't eaten like a lot, I was like, bro, if I get 2 footlongs, I'm gonna devour them immediately. What do you mean 3-4 meals? And lo and behold, 5-6 hours later, I was starving. And I think in the back of my head is like, oh, Subway. So 2 footlongs, easy peasy lemon squeezy, but that's not the bragging. The worst part is I still don't feel full. It's like there's more. It's a black hole. It's But now I feel with more energy, so hopefully I can do my run today later in Winnipeg. We're just shy of 3 hours to Winnipeg, according to the GPS. Yeah. 290 kilometers. So, but whoa, I have eaten like a pig, which is not good. Anyway, the phone shouldn't have done that. But my mount broke. Talk to you guys later, I presume. I hope. So today I have to finish driving, go to the gym, and then edit this video. Sleep, go to the gym, drive. We'll see how successful we are. hello people, it's 8:30 speaking to you from the gym. Oh boy, I was so stupid today. So not only that I spent money on the footlongs, but eating two, again I was hungry, but eating two was such a bad idea. And sometimes this is why I hate myself, because I cannot be like, sometimes when I'm like daydreaming, I'll like, something will enter in my head and like, oh well, yeah, 2 footlongs, and I cannot get away from that idea, and I just act on it, which is bad, because not only for the money, not only that I'm not losing weight, but it's a waste, because I did the training, it was good training, I didn't push myself, it was like regular. And as I came out, I don't want to make you sick or something, but half of 1 foot long I put it out. And again, I know when in training, when you push yourself really hard, you throw up or you have a massive headache, but this was not the case for me. I didn't push myself. I barely got to 150 BPM, beats per minute. So, because I speak in like running jargon, because I'm stupid like that. Anyway, so, well, we hope we learn from this, right? No more spending money, no more bullshit food, and back to, again, I did eat one time in a day, but I eat it like a pig before being cut. Yeah, 8:30. I am gonna try to edit the video, sleep something, and then I have to wake up, go to the gym again for Friday's training session, because in Hearst I don't have a gym, and I doubt in Hearst I'll have like such a good weather that I can do my running outside. So I have to do it tomorrow morning, Friday, and then start my 13-hour shift. And I hopefully all of this, so editing, sleep, gym, until my 10-hour break is over, which is I think when did I stop? 6, 7? I think 5 a.m. is done. So yeah, today was a good day. As I'll show you in one picture, I reached the gym with 0 minutes. Like when I was backing up here, the elog went on 0.00, so I stopped and put it. So it was a good day. But today was like daydream day. I did like in the morning, the scenario was very nice, but after that it was like just today was daydreaming, just like robot mode, just drive and not notice much of the stuff. I'm seeing like scenery or otherwise, not driving. Clearly I was paying attention. Anyway, talking too much. Go back to editing, and yeah, see you tomorrow on the stream, if this vlog comes out.